about concrete, you probably think of like a light gray color, but these days a lot of the concrete that's coming out of concrete trucks is not that light gray color. It's actually a very, very bright white color. And that's why for all of my design jobs, not some of them, all of them, I always add a dye of usually gray. They add some black to the truck and that makes it come out a light gray color. Let me show you the sidewalk in my own neighborhood and how white it is. Can you guys see here how white it is and how it does not match the concrete next to it? Now, of course, the concrete next to it is older and it's aged out, and so it is a darker color. But overall, these days, it's coming out of the truck this color, which to me, it's easy to stain. It's too white, and so what I do is to ask the concrete guys to add some dye to it. And the way I like to do it is for them to add that dye, either liquid or powder, at the manufacturer and mix it into the concrete so it goes all the way through the concrete. There's a way to treat existing concrete with a top dressing of dye, or a stain, I guess I should say, not a dye, but a stain, but it doesn't go deep down into the concrete. It only goes a little bit. So if there were to be a crack or a nick or a chip, you'd be able to see that original color of the concrete that would come through. So I prefer, if you are pouring new concrete, to go ahead and mix it in, just a little bit of color will do it, and that will protect the concrete from looking as stained. Imagine it like your car. White cars and black cars are the most easily visible with dirt, so just make sure you go with a medium color to keep it from looking stained and dirty.